Hello, my name is Obed Festo. I'm 27 years old. I'm a bachelor holder from Sokoine University of Agriculture in Tanzania. That qualifies me to be a livestock field officer. I have more than 1 year experience working with poultry farm, whereby in 2025 March, I started working at Gudensgard in Sweden, which has 30,000 laying chicken. I have good experience with poultry, whereby I have learned biosecurity measures and ways of taking towards controlling diseases in chicken. I am a hardworking, self-motivated person and quick learner. I would wish to join your team. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.